It's Vlog's Learning Lab.
A long time ago, there was a boy named Patrick. He wasn't born in Ireland, he was actually from Britain. But when he grew up, Patrick traveled to Ireland to teach people about kindness and faith. Patrick used a little plant called a shamrock to explain something very special: the Holy Trinity, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. That's why shamrocks are a big part of St. Patrick's Day. Every year on March 17th, we celebrate St. Patrick's Day to remember his good deeds. People wear green, have parades, and even look for leprechauns and rainbows. Leprechauns are magical little fairies from Irish folklore. Legend says they hide pots of gold at the end of rainbows. Wouldn't it be fun to find one? Did you know that green wasn't always the color of St. Patrick's Day? People used to wear blue. Let me tell you why. When St. Patrick's Day was first celebrated in Ireland, the color blue was associated with the saint and used on flags, banners, and clothing. It was known as St. Patrick's Blue. But over time, green became more popular because of Ireland's lush, green landscape and its nickname, the Emerald Isle. Shamrocks, which are green, also played a big role in the change. By the 18th century, wearing green became a symbol of Irish pride and unity. Now, green is everywhere on St. Patrick's Day, from clothes and decorations to food, and even rivers dyed green. So, if you're celebrating, don't forget to wear green to join in the fun. Now it's quiz time. Let's see what you've learned. What plant did St. Patrick use to teach about the Holy Trinity? That's right, a shamrock. What color do we wear on St. Patrick's Day? Yes, green. Do you remember the color people used to wear? Blue. You did great with the quiz time. Now you know all about St. Patrick, why we celebrate St. Patrick's Day, and how green became the color of this festive day. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, hit the like button, and subscribe to this channel for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.